never slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,
games ng Women's Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League ang liga ng bawat Pilipina. Charles
para sa championship dito sa inaugural season natin.
And to open up the scoring festivities, we have a Frill Bernardino. They go inside. Bernardino! Crisp passing and familiarity at its finest.
Ganda ng find ni Mendo.
Tolmasa ang pass of the quarter. Jovi Bora to a Frill Bernardino. To the cutting Ong. Kanya pa rin ang bola of the backboard is in.
Josephine Ong is one of those point guards that
Jewel drives baseline. Great.
Good way of recognizing that her defender was gonna fly by.
Reporter Kit Kat Torre.
Nagkaroon ng pagbabago dahil nagkaroon ng conflict sa schedule si Coach Terence Romeo. Nevertheless, binalita sa akin ni Coach Hubert.
That's not what you want to see early in the game. Puro turnover ngayon ng Black Shirts.
What about that pass from Andrea Tonko to La Rosa has it. The kick out. Dandalet. That one is in! What a way to get your first field goal!
A great shot.
8 minutes of action, wala pa rin silang score dito. Meantime, that is our Bavin power play of the quarter, Janelle Mendoza.
Ng lahat. Kaya for her to be here in the WMPBL just adds nothing but, you know, for her to have foul trouble early in the ball game is not a good sign to get her momentum back.
Meantime, Trixie Antiquera recognize na ito kakashoot lang nito, tres. Unang field goal natin.
Dapat hanapin.
Pero ito, kakashoot lang, sumot na naman Trixie Antiquera hitting her.
They recognize kung sino yung nakatira, sino lang yung kakatira, hinanap nila, nakashoot agad.
Here comes Mercado. 7 straight points. Andrea Tonko has it. To the cutting Bernardino. Lagi talaga lang hinahanap si Trixie Antiquera at ayon yung rason kung bakit.
Ang ganda nung sprint niya. The ball here, the last 4 possessions, 4 straight turnovers.
Evo Performance Helmets 3-point shot of the quarter, third 3 for the Lady Gymmers. They got what they wanted and finally their second field goal of the game.
That's what you want to see finally from
again. Tolmasa ang pasa of the quarter. Tolentino to Tagyam. Meantime, Tagyam escapes 2 defenders. Sablay nga lang, pero andun si Tolentino for the stick back. The rebound. They have the numbers. Quiapo. And Pat Quiapo finally for PSP Lady Gymmers.
You need to let your teammates know to let you know if there is someone behind.
Bavin power play of the quarter. Pat Quiapo. 10 to shoot. Antiquera. Na naman! 5 3-pointers for Trixie Antiquera. You are unconscious.
Eat my own words.
Evo Performance Helmets 3-point shots of the quarter. Put emphasis. Good job by Francine Heli. Tinignan na agad, hinanap na agad, di ba?
Great recognition by
Antiquera na naman! Oh my goodness! Are you kidding me? 6 3-pointers! One block of the game. 10 seconds left here in the first half. Find her, please find her. Down to 5. Mendoza. That one is in. Everyone was expecting that the ball will go to Trixie Antiquera. Kung gusto niyang pumasa, magagawa niya ng paraan.
Parang tamang galaw lang si Bernardino eh. Kung anong kailangan ng team, kung anong kailangan ng squad niya, yun talaga.
Like that. The pitch to Mendoza. Antiquera, 4-7. Bingo! Oh my goodness!
Wow! Wow is all I could say. Antequera. Crucial, gelling as a team and really following the system that the coaches have laid out for your team.
Oh my goodness! Sumali pa sa fiesta. Etong si Diane Christine Cass.
Energy ni Antequera.
Evo Performance Helmets 3-point shot. Shot clock para dito sa mga nakaputi. Cass on the attack. Mendoza off the backboard. Same spot, same result.
Great spacing.
Muntik pang mawala yung bola. Chovy. Lomogda!
Wow. Grabe, lahat talaga nakaka-shoot ng 3-pointer here.
You know, to be described as marupok. Bawal ang marupok than a rebound. Pero may agaw dito si Francine Heli. They have the numbers. Heli. Finally, she scores.
Heli has a nila sa kanila eh.
But again, like what you said, no, Justin, coming into the third quarter or in the second half, definitely, hahanapin na nila yan. They will have defensive schemes for Trixie Antequera. And
actually, she did a great job on defense.
oh, they weren't aware at the time.
Point difference of what Antequera has really put on here.
Queenie Aquino knocks down a 3. Evo Performance Helmets 3-point shot of the quarter. Queenie Aquino drains that one from sharing the rock. No? Lalo na to si Trixie Antequera. Alam naman niya na sa kanya pupunta. Pero kapag may option na iba,
ang gusto ko nilang hanapin talaga no, si Trixie. Parang set her up, set her up.
There it is. There it is!
Wow.
8 3-pointers.
Wow. Those here in this game, nakikita natin yung mga moves ni Heli. Parang talagang high level yung skill niya.
Cancho. Now to Heli. 7 on the shot clock against Antequera. Down to 4. 3. And another turnover forced by the Carlos PH Philippine Navy Lady Sailors. Touchdown for Joe Ong. You sound disappointed.
I like her play style, you know.
Oh.
Ang galing niya, ganda panoorin eh. So
wow, De Castro showing us. And ahead of the pack is Junicio.
Once again, the Philippine Lady Navy Sailors is showing how strong a team they are.
Slow. Yun lang.
Yun na yun.
Nakabawi naman sila.
Yun na yun. I mean, you know, they're leading right now big. Tapos, nakita mo naman lahat nagsa-step up, lahat good game.
Talamang ang Carlos PH. Oh, basket and beyond. Para kay Queenie Aquino.
The game is that out of hand.
Meantime, Rosel Junicio. That Carlos PH Philippine Navy Lady Sailors go for gold. Goes 5-1.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing